Question number 29, living organisms that feeds on dead organisms and organic matter are, here is a slight, okay, trick. The answer that will be picked here is not the proper answer, by the way, okay, it should be another one, okay. It should be, C here, or D here is decomposers. Yes, it is correct, but detritivore is much more, yes, the scavengers are detritivore. Yes, exactly. So we have scavengers. Yes, these are supposed to be scavengers or detritivore. And I will redo this part in order to replace this word by the term which is the detritivore. Okay, because it's very, very clear that he said just feed on the dead organic matter without saying return it back to the environment. So the correct answer that has to be here is the decomposition, the detritivore. Okay. Yes. Here is the fungi, which is a type of can be, some of them are detritivores, some others are scavengers are detritivores, okay, and also decomposers are detritivores. The difference is scavengers are not returning back or not breaking down the dead organic matter into similar substances and returning them back to the environment, while the decomposers do. That's it.